Hi, Matt from 4x4 Accessories and Tyres. So today we've got the all new 2023 Ford Ranger Wildtrak. Cyber orange launch colour that was out. We saw pictures and everything of it last year. This colour really suits this car as well. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to talk around some of the accessories that we've got on this vehicle. So we've got loads already in stock, loads more in development, so do keep an eye out on the website for new additions. If we start up on the front, what we've got, the first one is the gloss black light surrounds. Now these are available in satin black and gloss black as well, just a nice little subtle addition there. As many have already seen, this is our Nighthawk grille. So full LED in this sort of like C shape, identical to the car's standard grille, but we've just made this component here LED. At night, just looks really cool. What you've also got on here is our Steeler front bar, so 76mm powder coated, really aggressive with them bars on there as well. Just works really well with the car. As we move around to the side, what I've got on this car is I've got two different sets of arches and two completely different styles. So what we've got on this side is our stylish arches. Now these are available all in vehicle colours, but this set that we've got on here is the Wildtrak Grey. This particular model doesn't have the extra sensors here, so the park assist, but we do that model, and it is available as a drop down on the website. So it already comes with a hole already pre-cut out there with a sensor holder, so nice and easy. Just pop that out and the sensor goes straight into this arch here. One of the slight differences on these arches over the outgoing car is we've decided to add this nice neat rubber seal on there, so that just helps just keep everything nice and clean and behind, but just looks and adds some great value. Now the wheel and tyre package on this car is the 20-inch Iconic. I love this wheel. Every time we do one of these builds, everyone's saying, oh, can we put a different set of wheels on? But this just adds everything to the car. They look absolutely great. Really deep dish, and we've mixed that with a Radar Renegade, really aggressive tyre on there. That's a 285/50/20, but just fills that arch nicely and makes the car look really aggressive. Before we move around to the back to show you what's on there, what I'll show you is one of our roof light integrations. So we've got a few different options here, but as you can see, these are our own brackets, our own integration kit, and this is a laser linear, sorry, it's not a linear, it's a laser T24. The reason why I said linear is we do a linear option as well from the laser range. If we move around to the back, as you can see, the arches on the back and the Iconic on there as well. But if we move round, there's a couple of little additions on here as well that I would like to show you. So the first one is this new tailgate armour. So this is in a black textured finish, just to give a little bit different to the tailgate. All self-adhesive, really easy to fit. You can fit it at home in 5 minutes. And we have done another video on this that's coming soon, but this is a roller shutter that we've got. So this is an AEROKLAS roller shutter, and this is the manual version. The electric version's available as well. But nice and easy, all you do, pull down on them, release that, and open. You've got a really easy pull strap there that'll just lock it back in as well. If we move around to this side, what you can also see is we've got our light surrounds in gloss black on there as well, but we've got a different set of arches on here. Now, these are our sport arches. So we used to have a similar set of arches on the outgoing car, but same again, we've still got that new seal, colour coded as well, the same as the front, and also available with the park assist. Now this is another set of wheels that we've got for this vehicle as well. So these are the 20-inch Pantheras, and it's got the same tyre as the Iconics on the other side, so it's a 285/50/20, but again just sets the car off really nicely. So loads of accessories coming for these. Keep an eye on the website, loads of cool content coming. So if you've got any questions, then please just get in contact with us.